Hi guys, today I will be talking about how to create Ghibli-style images in ChatGPT. With the help of my method, you will be able to create images in Ghibli style. So let's find out. The first thing is, in the Google search bar, search for ChatGPT. Once you do that, you will see different websites that allow you to use ChatGPT. So click on any of these, just like I am clicking on this website. Now here, it is saying where should we begin. If you are using it for the first time, then it will ask you to sign in with your Google account or any other method supported by ChatGPT. As you can see on the right side, my account is already signed in. That's why it didn't ask me to log in. So go ahead and sign in to your account. Then you'll see the same interface. Now here, first I will explore some tools. Maybe with the help of these tools, I can do something better. So it's saying create an image. I will click on this tool and you can see the image tool has been selected. Now here, I will write my prompt. And at the end, I will ask it to create this image in Ghibli style. So let me write it. I asked it to create a 16-year-old boy who is standing in front of his school. The image creation should be in Ghibli style. Then I will hit on this arrow. Now here you can see it's processing. Let's wait until it finishes. You can see the Ghibli-style image has been created, and it looks really good. Now, in order to download it, click on this icon, and it will be downloaded. If you want to turn your own image into Ghibli style, then click on this plus icon and upload your photo in the ChatGPT image tool. Then do the same command like I did. Simply, you can ask ChatGPT to turn this picture into Ghibli style. And that's it.